Po, I'm Sachi Marzo from 11 Hockey. So, our scenario is imagine it is 10 years from now. You have successfully graduated from college, started working, and built a good career. A bank is offering you a loan of 1 million peso. You now have an important decision to make. How would you use the money? For me po, I would choose na mag-start ako ng own business ko. So, 10 years from now, I imagine that I have already graduated from college, started working, and built a stable career. Since my dream is to become a chef, I would use the 1 million peso bank loan to start my own food business such as small bakery, cafe, or a restaurant. I would use the money carefully for equipment, ingredients, rents, permits, and other important expenses. After 10 years, I imagine that I have completely paid off my 1 million peso loan and that my business has become successful. If I decided to sell my business or the property I acquired for it, I estimate that it could be worth around 1.5 million to 2 million, depending on its location, condition, business performance, and how much its value increased over the years. I would then use the money from the sales to invest in something bigger, much bigger, such as opening a larger restaurant, buying a better property, or expanding my food business. I think my original decision was a smart financial choice. As long as I manage the loan responsibly, borrowing 1 million peso is a big responsibility. So I would need to make sure that my business could earn enough money to pay the monthly loan and other expenses. Starting a business related to my dream of becoming a chef would also give me an opportunity to build experience and earn income from something I am passionate about. Wait lang. I also believe that the property could increase in value after 10 years. Property values can rise because of development in the area. Better roads and transportation, increased demand, and improvements made to the property. However, its value is not guaranteed to increase because the market can change and unexpected problems can happen. Overall, I believe this would be a good financial decision because I would not only be investing money, but also investing in my dream of becoming a chef. If I plan carefully, work hard, and manage my finances responsibly, my 1 million peso loan could become the starting point of a successful business and a better future. Thank you po.